Look at these icons. It's a hammer, a drill, and some screws. It's not a secret code. It's just the basic tools you should have had ready 10 minutes ago. You see the holes? Put the pins in them. Do not force it like you force every other bad decision in your life. Just gently push them in. Dowels. They hold things together. If you snap them, you're hopeless. Line them up and pray you don't mess up this level of elementary school construction. Take the panels and shove them onto the pins. It's literally just matching holes to shapes. If this is hard for you, please just go buy pre-assembled furniture. Oh, look, cam locks. Twist them until they stop. I know, your urge to over-tighten and strip the metal is strong, but try to exercise some restraint for once. More dividers. Another chance for you to place them backward. Look at the orientation, match it, and stop questioning reality. If they didn't slide in smooth, you already messed up the last step. Don't look at me with that confused face. Check your work. Again with the cam locks. It's like a carousel of frustration, isn't it? Twist, lock, repeat. Try not to hurt yourself. Slide the back panel into the groove. If it's stuck, your frame is crooked. That's a you problem, not an IKEA problem. Everything lines up now. If there's a massive gap, you install the divider upside down. Go back and check. I'll wait. 8 cam locks to finish the frame. Use your screwdriver properly, or just give up now and call a professional to save your dignity. It's a back panel. It needs to be flush. Why are you sweating? It's just flat wood. Keep going. We're almost done with this mediocrity. If you don't level this, it'll wobble for eternity, just like your life. Twist these feet until the unit is stable. It's not rocket science. You have to drill into the wall now. Try to measure twice so you only drill once. I know that's asking a lot from someone who struggled with a cam lock. You actually finished it. It's not perfect, but it's standing. Don't get too proud. It's just a TV stand. Now clean up your mess.